All right, here we go, guys. Last break of the night. Good luck to everybody in this one. Find those ultra rare downtowns, dual downtowns, 20 packs, 4 cards per pack. Rated rookie autos are possible. 2 red stars parallels. You guys are guessing the player on the last of those for 20 credit. Use the future break schedule to buy into Monday's break. There's our empty box. Next pack. A.J. Dillon, Chuba Hubbard, Alvin Kamara, Jaden Daniels. Anthony Richardson, Zach Moss, Jahan Dotson, Best Tuddies, Nico Collins, CJ Stroud. Trevon Diggs, Lamar Jackson, Puka Nacua, Brian Thomas Jr. Josh Jacobs, Miles Sanders, Hayden Hurst, Anthony Richardson. Get your guesses in for the player on the last red stars parallel. Good luck to everybody in this. There's Zeke Elliott, Tyler Algier, Chop Robinson, Drake May. Jameson Williams, Von Miller, Max Crosby. Max Crosby lined it up. Deshaun Watson, James Conner, A.J. Brown, Brock Bowers. Little Jordan Humphrey, Josh Downs, Alan Lazard, C.J. Stroud lined it up. Chase Brown, Travis Kelce, Kayvon Thibodeau, Chain Reaction, Derrick Henry. Micah Parsons, Derrick Henry, Daniel Jones, Chop Robinson. Guy Moore, Jake Ferguson, Levanta David, our first Red Stars parallel, Spencer Rattler. Brady Jarrett, Jordan Love, L'Jarius Sneed, A.J. Brown. Should have one more Red Stars parallel available in this. Evan Ingram. We got Dak Prescott, Will Levis, Drake May. Bijan Robinson, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Rashad White, Brian Thomas. Dawson Knox, Jeff Okuda, Zach Charbonnet, Bo Nix. Michael Pittman Jr., Trey Hendrickson, Malik Washington's our guest of this break. Jermaine Burton. Kyler Murray, Drake London, Antonio Gibson, Lamar Jackson. 3 packs left. There's Aiden Hutchinson, Bryce Young, Justin Jefferson. We got Spencer Rattler, Jonathan Taylor, Jamar Chase, Jonnu Smith, Tyler Lockett. Rashee Rice, Tua, Antonio Gibson, and Baker Mayfield. Let's top load recap, and we'll sign off for the night. Again, we will be back Monday at 9 p.m. Central. Use that future break schedule link in the chat to grab your spots for Monday's breaks. Malik Washington was the final Red Stars parallel in the guess of this break. All right. We got a few rookies probably top load as well. There's Antonio Gibson, Chopper Robinson on the hollows, Levanta David, and Malik Washington on the Red Stars parallels. All right, guys. Again, that does it for tonight's breaks. Appreciate everybody helping fill these. Getting your guesses in. Didn't give away any credit this night, but we will hopefully in the next break night. So, guys, again, appreciate every one of you. You guys have a great weekend. We will